So in this video, I am going to show you how to type Subscript in Microsoft Word. Typing Subscript in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process that can enhance the readability of documents, particularly in scientific, mathematical, and chemical context. To type Subscript in Word, you can use the ribbon or the keyboard shortcuts. To use the ribbon, highlight the text you want to format as Subscript, navigate to the Home tab, and click on the Subscript button, which is represented by an icon showing an X with a smaller 2 below it. You can see your selected text is subscripted. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by selecting the text and pressing Ctrl plus equal sign. This method toggles the subscript formatting on and off. And that's how you can type Subscript in Microsoft Word.